So, Taj Bekal is honestly one of those resorts that just feels peaceful the moment you enter. The welcome was very Taj style. They did a tikka, garland, and everyone was really warm right from the entrance. At the reception, they've kept all these displays for experiences and activities that you can book. It actually helps because you instantly know what's possible here. Right next to the reception, there's a library and a lounge area. It's a nice calm spot if you want to sit for a bit and chill. The property is huge and it's literally between the backwaters on one side and the Arabian Sea on the other. We stayed in the deluxe villa courtyard view room, and because it was my birthday trip, they kept a little birthday treat in the room. It was really sweet and it felt quite personal. The villa feels spacious and private. The courtyard vibe makes it feel calm even during the day. For lunch, we went to the Backwater Cafe. It's a multi cuisine restaurant. We ordered there and then we actually just went and sat in the Ivory Bar, which is right next to it. Ivory Bar was a nice relaxed place. It's slightly moody too. Good spot if you want to sit and just take a break. Right next to it is the swimming pool with the backwater view. This area is honestly one of the most peaceful parts of the whole resort. We then went to the activity area. They have archery, kayaking, and all of that. Abhi tried the zip line and he really enjoyed it. It's a good thing to do if you want at least one active moment in the day. There's also an indoor activity room right next to the reception. It was clean and well maintained. It's really good if you want something simple or if it's way too hot outside. Next was the high tea by the backwaters. They served some local snacks which was nice, but we felt that the tea cart lacked the local authenticity. The servers weren't locals, the pronunciations were a bit off and nobody could make Sulaimani, which is quite common in North Kerala. That part was a little disappointing for us. Then we went to the beach. You can rent mats at the beach gate and just sit there for hours. We did that and it was honestly the best slow moment of the day. We had a reservation at their seafood restaurant by the bay at 7:30 pm. Dinner was really good. Everything tasted absolutely great and the live singer made it feel super cozy. After dinner, we walked around the property. At night, it looks calm and beautiful. And next to the pool, you have Grill and More for alfresco dining. Make sure you reserve by the bay and Grill and More in advance because seating here is limited and they only have 2 slots, 7:30 pm and 9 pm. Next morning, we again went to the backwater side and then to the beach. Mornings here felt super quiet and peaceful. Breakfast at the Backwater Cafe was a highlight for us. The spread is huge and the food was really tasty. Then we went to the spa, which was on the other side of the backwaters. We had to cross a small bridge inside the property to reach it, which was really nice. Overall, Taj Bekal is a great choice if you want a luxurious and a relaxing stay with both backwaters and the beach. If this walkthrough helped you, save this video and subscribe to our channel. It genuinely helps us grow and make more videos like this. Thank you.